Welcome to the Essential Emotions Reference app. This is a simple app designed to help you recognize how you're feeling so you can feel better. Quick tutorial on the app. There's 3 tabs you'll notice at the top. The first is the Emotions tab. Maybe you know what you're experiencing and you simply just need help processing through that emotion. Click on this tab, look up the emotion you're feeling, and follow the prompts to help you process through that. Maybe you are really drawn to a specific essential oil and you know that it would support you. Click on that oil, find out what emotions it best supports or best addresses. Follow the prompts on how to apply the essential oil to give you the support you're looking for. And lastly, maybe you're not really sure what you're feeling, but you're experiencing some symptoms in your body that are giving you some clues perhaps of what might be going on. Simply click on the Body tab, find the system that's concerning you, and look up what those underlying emotions may be for you. We hope this gives you tools and ideas to help you recognize and understand what you're feeling so you can feel better.